Hello everyone, welcome back to Salesforce Textbook. In today's video, we will explore display logic in Salesforce service. As part of this session, first we will understand what display logic is, then we will take a hands-on approach to see how it works with the use case, and finally we will look at the limitations of using display logic. So let's get started. What is display logic? Display logic is a feature in Salesforce service that conditionally shows questions based on a participant's earlier response on the same page. For example, you can display a follow-up question based on what the participant answered earlier, so that survey stays relevant and focused for each person. Display logic helps avoid unnecessary questions and makes the experience smoother and more personalized. Now that we understand what display logic is, so let's see how to apply it with a use case. Here is the use case. On a survey page, we have two questions. The first question is, how likely are you to recommend our service to your friend or colleague, which is a net promoter score question. And the second question is a long test question, which is, let us know how we can improve. Now, we will apply display logic to the second question so that it only appears if the participant gives a score less than 7 on the first question. Great. Now that we know the use case, let's jump into the org for a live demo. First, let's create a new survey. For that, go to App Launcher, search for surveys and click on it. Click on New, give a survey name. Click on Continue. Now, in a survey, the welcome and thank you messages are required. So, let's add those first. Now that both messages are added, next let's add our questions. First, click on Add Page here and click on Add Question. Here, according to our use case, the first question will be of type Net Promoter Score. So, click on it. Here, enter the question text, which is, how likely are you to recommend our service to your friend or colleague? Next, let's add the second question. Scroll down and click on Add Question and select Long Text. Now, enter the question text, which is, let us know how we can improve. To add the logic, click on Display Logic on this second question. Now, first we need to select the condition. For our use case, we will choose all conditions are met. Here, we need to select a question whose response will control the logic. Since it's based on first question, so select it. Now set the operator to less than and response value as 7. With this, we have defined the display logic according to our use case, which is whenever first question's response is less than 7, then we are going to display second question. Click on Save Logic. Since we have set up the logic, let's click on Preview to test it. This is the welcome message. Let's click on Next. Here is the first question. And to test it, let's enter a value of 7 or above. For example, I will provide the response as 8. In this case, you can see the second question does not appear because our logic shows the question only if the response is less than 7. Next, let's enter a value less than 7. For example, 5. And this time you can see the second question appears as expected. And that's how you can use display logic in your surveys. Before we finish, let's check some limitations of display logic. First, you can't use display logic on the very first question of a page. So add at least one question before applying it. Second, ranking questions don't work with display logic. So you can't use them to set conditions. And last, for multiple selection questions, the equals operator won't work. You will need to use contains instead. Keep these limitations in mind while using display logic. If you would like more information on display logic, you can go through this reference link. Thank you. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook.